There's a nationwide effort tonight to find and prosecute the people responsible for yesterday's violence, and with so many captured on camera, there's already a big suspect list.
The U.S. Attorney for Minnesota saying she is working with law enforcement officials to track down the offenders. Fox 9's Sarah Danek is live outside the federal courthouse in Minneapolis with a look at the investigation as it stands tonight. Sarah?
Yeah, guys, today a joint statement was issued by the U.S. Attorney's Office here in Minnesota and the FBI field office in Minneapolis, saying they condemn the violence that happened at the Capitol yesterday. And they said if you're from Minnesota and went and committed violent criminal acts in Washington, D.C., they'll find you and prosecute you. As rioters stormed the nation's capital, they didn't do so quietly, taking photos and videos. Now there's a nationwide effort to find those part of the violent mob and charge them. The Metropolitan Police Department in D.C. publicly distributing these photos of persons of interest in the unrest. As of Thursday evening, some 90 arrests have been made by police. The FBI has put out a call for tips. So far, we're told tens of thousands have come in by phone, and some 5,000 photos and videos. The Minneapolis field office has been helping too.
At this point, we don't have any specific connections to Minneapolis or to the tri-state area here in the Dakotas, which our office covers. But our folks here are also assisting in going through some of the material that's coming out of that review. We're also looking to collect material here from the public.
And a tweet today by the U.S. Attorney for the District of Minnesota made it clear, if you traveled from the state to take part in violent criminal acts in D.C., you will be prosecuted. And because the acts happened on federal property, the charges could be serious.
The question I think people are interested in is, will people be charged with sedition? Will people be charged with treason?
Former federal prosecutor Mark Osler says rioters will likely face a combination of charges, but to prove sedition would take a more serious act.
What they'd have to show is an act of war against the United States, and that probably would, if they were to levy that against someone, it'd be to the people who committed the more serious acts of breaching the building, busting in the windows, things like that.
Now, we want to point out many of the arrests made by D.C. police last afternoon into this morning were for things like unlawful entry and curfew violation. And many of the arrests we saw on their public documents were folks out of state. I'm told, though, it is still early in the investigation, and it's likely more arrests and charges will come. We are live tonight in Minneapolis. Sarah Danek, Fox 9.